Hi guys, my name is Abby and I'm so happy you're watching my video. So rise and shine. Follow me. Follow me, princesses. Get up the sink. Let's do it. All done. Now my teeth are all clean. Today is the day I'm excited to put makeup. So this is moisturizer, and you always have to put this first in your makeup. So we have a grown up here. She's gonna put it in her hand, and you have to put it all over your face and moisturize your skin. So let's do it. Hi guys, this is Smashbox. Put it in my hand, so let's put it on my face now. So right now we're having Beauty Blender and Smashbox cover up, and so we have to put it in the water and squeeze it hard. So now we could just put it in here. Let's put it in. Good. Now let's put it in our face. Make sure you even everything out. Let's ask our grown-up if it's done. Grown-up, is it done? Okay, it's done. This is called a Tarte Concealer, and you can only buy this at Ulta. So let's put it in here. Our eyes. Nose, and then now our cheeks. It's done. Now we need this to do like dabbing. Make sure you dab so there's not any make sure there's no spots. This is called a two-faced eyeshadow. So let's put it on. My color is white and pink, so I'm gonna put those two on. I'm gonna add pink, a little bit pink. Done. This is called eyebrow pencil, and so let's do it. I'm gonna add some of it. Let's light because I don't want to put too much because my makeup is going to be ruined if I make it really dark. So let's add a little, like that, that. So we're done for that one. Now let's do this. So it spreads out that dark thing. So let's do it. Okay, I recommend this eyeliner for everyone is the best. So we're gonna have a grown-up to help us, and it's my auntie. This beautiful ring what my auntie did. Is it beautiful? Right, next step, we're going to do these mascaras. So the first one, we're going to do white. These make your lashes grow longer. Like, look at mine. I'm done with the black one. I mean the white one. Now, time for the black one. Ouchie. It's kind of hard doing the other eye. It's kind of weird if you do makeup like these kind of makeup things are like really hurt for a little kid. But they will get used to it. This is called Laura CA, and let's put it on. It's gonna take for 2 seconds, so follow my steps. So it's really kind of easy, but you can like use like this. You use in your eyes. So we're all done. So now let's leave it to dry for 2 minutes, and make sure under eyes brighter. So make sure you're following my steps. Make sure you lightly, do like dabbing. So let's do it really lightly. Don't do it hard or it'll get off. if you're watching this channel still, that's really great. It's really fun to do makeup for kids. If your mom, ask kids, ask your mom or dad if they let you to do makeup. It's going to be really fun. This is called a hula bouncer. So it's old and it's really getting old, so we have to buy a new one. And it makes your nose small and it makes your cheeks beautiful. So let's do our nose first, then our cheeks. And now let's spread it all over. Like, let's add some more in our nose. Then our cheeks. See? Is my nose small? Is my cheeks beautiful? So let's do that, a little bit of that. I think it's looking beautiful. Do you think I'm beautiful? We always have to make some rosy cheeks to look beautiful. If you guys want to look beautiful, follow me. So we have to put it in right next to this last cheek to make her rosy. Want yourself to be rosy? Be rosy. I'm just gonna add a little bit. If you guys want to add a lot, it's your choice. It's your makeup. This is called Carly Bible, and you can. It's like a glow one. It's glow or it's like a highlighter. So mine's I really want to put it's this one. Let's ask our grown-up where should I put it? Oh, it's here. Look at this glow. See it? This is the last thing I'm applying to my face. It's called maquillage. And we're going to put it on our lips. And it's my favorite kind of lip mask. Make sure you get everything. This is called Mario perfume for your face, and you can only have free sprays, and so it's for this to dry when you're partying. It's gonna make you look beautiful. So let's do it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2. The last one is 3. I hope you love this video. Sure to give us a thumbs up, bye, and subscribe, or hit the bell if you like it, and you can see my final looks if you want to.